back to my YouTube channel. So, I accidentally deleted the intro of my vlog the other day, so I have to make another one. Buti na lang may pupuntahan ako event and nakaayos ako, nakakagawa ko ng intro vid. But this vlog is all about my first MRT experience. Kasi before naman, nakasakay na ako ng LRT. Pumunta rin ako sa social media creator camp, so na-invite din ako doon para mag-talk. Kung mapapansin nyo, almost half of the video parang vlog din to ni Aura kasi gusto niya mag-vlog takeover para ma-practice niya mag-vlog and mag-vlog na rin siya, so abangan niya rin yung channel niya. Yun lang naman mga nangyari, but let's just get started.
Okay, escalator tayo. Paakyat dun. Kasi
escalator? Ayun, may escalator. Ay, may escalator naman pala eh! Naka-heels pa.
bumili ka ng papuntang Shaw Boulevard.
Sabihin dalawang ano?
Dalawa, sabihin mo. Saan yung fare? Magkano? Punta tayo doon, tatap mo to.
Ah, ito? Yung yellow? Ito.
Kahit ano. Tap mo lang. Go. Ngayon, maghihintay tayo.
Maghihintay na naman.
Ayan na.
Ayun na.
Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Nandito na tayo sa EDSA Siang. Konti na lang, lalabas na tayo sa station.
Hindi ko na nakayanan yung init.
Insert ticket. Insert ticket mo kasi. Ayan. Yan. O, diba? May patap ka pang nalalaman.
Sabi mo sa akin, ganun lang eh.
Hindi. Paglalabas ka, insert mo na. Single journey kasi yon para sa mga isang mga single.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Ay! I know! Late na ako eh. Let's go. So we barely made it. Barely made it. And ngayon, tatakbo na muna kami sa venue dahil maliliit na kami. I don't know if I can vlog it, pero let's go. Kaya to. Hi guys, galing kami CR, so fresh na ulit. Yes. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa EDSA Shangri-La. Ay, mapunta na kami sa atrium. Grand Atrium.
Sa baba.
Sa baba. Ay, bababa.
Ay,
parang dun tayo galing.
Oh my gosh.
That's nice. Okay lang. Napakasikip. Alam, kailan si Lotus Fit, guys? Parang ako siya ngayon. Sobrang sikip ng sapatos ko. What's up?
Guys, do you have any questions from RJ and Mikey? Any questions about YouTube or anything? And also AC and Reva. Come up here, guys. Come and join us. AC and Reva. Reva and AC. Come up here.
Take over! Hello, say hi to Ate Reva's vlog. We're taking over, bro. Part 2! We are here at the Shangri-La Mall. Oh yeah! She's cool! Low-key endorsing.
your story? How did it all start?
Okay.
Valera pala yun.
When I left, then ako nag-decide na try ko naman mag-YouTube. Because why not? Why not, diba? Na-try ko mag-vlog. And I really enjoyed every second of it. But ayun, masaya ako at nakikita ko ngayon yung mga nag-subscribe din sa akin.
So you're a dancer?
Viva!
Dancer?
I wish I was a singer though.
We got two dancers here, no? We got two amazing dancers.
And the moves that we do, the moves that we make, it's just what we express, what our feelings are. Because we don't want to show someone, we don't want to dance and then look fake.
In the first place, you're dancing to express what you're feeling and what your body feels or what you think that the song is about. So that's how you will express it to other people to connect with them as well.
I just want to ask how do you turn down your insecurities, because we all know I am like a beauty vlogger and lifestyle vlogger, so I have my insecurities myself. And paano po yung confidence nyo?
You have to be confident, hindi lang pag mag-film ka ng video. You have to be confident all the time, especially when you're vlogging. And yung public vlogging, like you're in the mall pero you have to vlog kasi nahihiya ka mag-vlog kasi makikita ka nila. So you don't have to be shy. So kapag insecure ka sa self mo, kunyari, insecure ka sa skin mo, insecure ka sa height mo. Pero it's not about that. Yung imperfections mo, yun pa yung nagpapa-unique and nagpapa-beautiful sa'yo.
One more time for Riva and AC.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and now nandito kami ngayon sa Today lang, kasi daw kasama ko ang ating kaibigan na si Riva Valera, and today we're gonna do English dapat.
No, it did help. I have to say it did help, and thank Heavenly Father for always
I'm not
guiding us,
introduced
because He was
you.
the one that gave us strength and health and fitness to
I
get
didn't
through all
understand
these.
Inaano ka?
Is it okay if I can pull one my stand? His name is Dwayne.
Kailangan ko muna magbabay sa inyo, and pamaya magkita ulit tayo sa aming next project.
That's a good start. Wow, it's a really good start.
So, consistency ko talaga ang...
So, nauna dito na kami. Ganun talaga yun eh.
Salamin sinasabi sa sarili, alam pa naman nila, kapag kumikimot ang bewang, ang ahikaw na binibeba. Ang pagpus na ginulit kay aling beba.
Wow. We got some stars in that team. Okay.
What's up guys? So ngayon napanood nyo sila, sumayaw sila. So ang dance captain nila dito kay si... Dance captain! Hi guys, I'm Miss Jeremy Fashion! You're such a great musician.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
How I wish you so much. You know, it's like a dream of mine, but just not working.
Okay.
Sad for me.
You got plenty of other dreams that you got, that are working for you, definitely.
Thank you.
Ano pa si Riva? Backpack, mas mahal to.
O diba, pumasok si Aura para malalamin.
May pag-Gucci.
So now where are we going, little girl?
We're going to your house. What?
What are you craving for?
Guys, you know, me and Aura here are bodyguards for Ate Rica.
No.
She can get mobbed anytime.
That's the opposite. Aura, what can you say about the weather?
Nagalugin mo.
Kanina ba siya naiinis? Ayan, may libre po kami cake. Kasalukuyan pumipili si Aura.
Chocolate na lang.
Chocolate ba?
Ay, no. Puro chocolate.
Thank you po. Ay, sorry, salamat.
Thank you po.
Ako mag-vlog. Ako mag-vlog ka.
What's up guys? So ngayon nandito na naman kayo sa aking channel, and today kakain kami ngayon sa C2 Classic Cousin. So binigyan nila
Cousin? Ano pinsan?
pinsan ko nga yung may-ari nito.
Sorry po.
What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna do
Nag-record siya.
Wala po, naka-live tayo ngayon. Uy, Abby, oh. Charot lang.
Sige na. Picture muna kayo. Famous props, diba?
Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, kakain kami sa C2 Classic Cuisine. So ngayon, so nagka-picture sa amin yung marketing and later makikita nyo mamaya kung ano yung binigay nila sa amin at kung paano ang kakainin namin. So guys, patuloy lang kayong manood sa aking YouTube channel. Makikita nyo kung gano'n kagaling mag-edit. Bye!
Parang balita.
Wait lang, wait lang kuya, mamaya muna kung na-reset ka ulit. What's up guys? So today,
Another take.
Ba't ka nag-alam sa vlog ko? 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! So dumating na ang aming chocolate cake! Yay! Oh my God! Patikim na. Darating na yung sinigang. So, lilipad na yung drone.
Ay, paano lilipad yung drone?
Oh, ganda ng kuha sa inyo. Oh.
Lilipad pa yan.
Wah! Uy, mag-vlog pala muna ako. What's up guys? So, ngayon dumating na ang aming sinigang. Umuusok ba siya?
Hello!
Umuusok ba siya? Oh my God! Hey!
And now we're on our way to Gucci! And then we meet lang namin sila Aura. Guys, soon bibilhin ko na to. It's very maganda. And this one too. And this one. Ito akong bilhin. Buy it! Pagpe-fiesta niya lang yan.
Ano size mo? Fiesta sa balita. Ano size mo? 7?
I know it's a bit late, but here's my OOTD. So I don't know if I'm going to buy, but I'm going to end the vlog here because look at my eyes, sobrang tired na siya. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social media accounts, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!
I haven't felt this good in a while.